Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious Nutella cookies. First, let's get organized. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, which is about 175 degrees Celsius. Next, prepare your baking sheets by lining them with parchment paper. This prevents sticking and makes cleanup a breeze. Finally, gather all your ingredients on your counter so everything is ready to go. Now, let's mix our cookie dough. In a large bowl, cream together 1 stick of softened, unsalted butter and 1/2 cup of granulated sugar until light and fluffy. Then, beat in 1 large egg and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Gradually add 1 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Finally, gently fold in 1 cup of creamy Nutella until it's just combined, being careful not to overmix. It's time to get these delicious cookies into the oven. Using a small cookie scoop or 2 spoons, drop rounded tablespoons of dough onto your prepared baking sheet. Make sure to leave about 2 inches of space between each cookie to allow for spreading. Bake them in your preheated oven for 8 to 10 minutes. The cookies should be lightly golden around the edges, but still soft in the center. Almost ready to enjoy your homemade treats. Once baked, let the cookies cool on the baking sheet for about 5 minutes. This helps them firm up before moving. Then, carefully transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. If you can resist, they are delicious warm, but even better once fully cooled. Serve these delightful Nutella cookies with a cold glass of milk for the perfect snack.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.